Hey guys, this is Camry. Welcome to my channel. Do you need some motivation for your spring cleaning? If you do, come with me while I deep clean my kitchen. This is actually the third video in my spring cleaning series. So if you would like to see my other videos in this series, tap the I, or I will link them in the description box below. If you like this video, show me some love by giving me a thumbs up. If you like videos like this one, subscribe to my channel. Now let's get started with the deep cleaning. I'm using my microfiber duster to dust the tops of my cabinets. I always clean from top to bottom so that as the dirt falls, I will be cleaning it as I go.
Don't take no chances, fill up all the blanks with lemon sprinkled ice. Please don't ask me twice. Rhythm got me bouncing, bottles got me crashing. Don't you know? Don't you know?
I'm using Indust to dust my shelf and knickknacks.
I just wanna get the hang of this, and I know there is no cure. We're moving to a drowning idea. I'm just in it for the thrill of it. I just wanna get the hang of this, and I know there is no cure. Drowning idea. I'm just in it for just the high life drift and the high life, just the high feel living in the high life drift, just the high life twist on the high life. I'm just in it for just the high life drift and the high life, just the high feel living in the high life drift, just the high life twist on the high life. DJ got me twisted, liquid got me distant. Don't you know?
To clean the top of the refrigerator and the cabinets, I am using my homemade vinegar cleaning mixture, which I make with 1 cup of water, 1 cup of vinegar, and a large squirt of dish soap.
I'm just in it for the thrill of it. I just wanna get the hang of this, and I know there is no cure. Drowning idea. I'm just in it for just the high life drift and the high life, just the high feel living in the high life drift, just the high life twist on the high life. I'm just in it for just the high life drift and the high life, just the high feel living in the high life drift, just the high life twist on the high life. I'm just in it for I'm just in it for the thrill of it. I just wanna get the hang of this, and I know there is no cure. We're moving to a drowning idea. I'm just in it for the thrill of it. I just wanna get the hang of this, and I know there is no cure. Drowning idea. I'm just in it for just the high life drift and the high life, just the high feel living in the high life drift, just the high life twist on the high life. I'm just in it for just the high life drift and the high life, just the high feel living in the high life drift, just the high life twist on the high life. I'm just in it for
This cabinet is stuffed extremely full because I bought new drinking glasses but did not take the old ones out.
I just wanna get you on my grid sometimes, on my grid sometimes. All my friends are saying that I waste my time, that I waste my time. I don't wanna tell you, I know if you care. Repeating my mind, rolling around, stuck in your bed. Burning temptation, I just cannot hide it. Late at night when I'm
I found this Lazy Susan at TJ Maxx, and I'm going to use it for my spices.
I might be broken down, but I'm smiling. I keep my head up high, though I fail. Sometimes I get a bit emotional, but then I turn around.
I'm using my Method Anthrabac to clean underneath the sink.
From a distance, I see you can't decide what to feel. But if you dig a little deeper, boy, you know you really wanna get to know me. Let's get this out of the way. I can't wait another day to tell you you shouldn't wait. Don't be so afraid. Yeah, I'm a bit too much, but I'm fun and games. When I'm acting tough, I just wanna play. If you are looking for one hell of a ride, just come and get it. Baby, I'm all yours. Come and get it, 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 come and get it. If you are looking for one hell of a ride, just come and get it. Baby, I'm all yours. Jump on my roller coaster and hold tight. It won't be easy, but it'll be fun. Sometimes it goes the whole way up and down. I think you're ready now to leave the ground. Get in the fast lane, babe, you can make it. I promise I'll be there all the way. And if you get a little broken down, all that you gotta do is keep your head high. Let's get this out of the way. I can't wait another day to tell you you shouldn't wait. Don't be so afraid. Yeah, I'm a bit too much, but I'm fun and games. When I'm acting tough, I just wanna play. If you are looking for one hell of a ride, just come and get it. Baby, I'm all yours. Come and get it, 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 come and get it. If you are looking for one hell of a ride, just come and get it. Baby, I'm all yours. Oh, 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 oh.
I keep my plastic shopping bags in this container underneath here.
Yeah, I'm a bit too much, but I'm fun and games. When I'm acting tough, I just wanna play. If you are looking for one hell of a ride, just come and get it. Baby, I'm all yours. Come and get it, 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 come and get it. If you are looking for one hell of a ride, just come and get it. Baby, I'm all yours.
You've been trying so hard, giving all that you got, holding on hard to the past. Don't forget who you are, is it worth it or not? It will never ever last. Oh, look up outside, the world is waiting. Could all be yours, is what I'm saying. Don't waste your life, he's not the one, 'cause he's playing with your heart. If only I could turn the hands of time, turn it back, back, your side. Look up outside, the world is waiting. Could all be yours, that's what I'm saying. Don't waste your love. He's not the one, cause he's playing with your heart. If only I could turn the hands of time, turn it back just to see you smile.
I think this cabinet has been the most embarrassing to show. This is horrible.
Just let him go. Oh, oh yeah. Just let him go. You put your head high, girl. This time is run, time is run. Now you gotta have some fun. Oh yeah. So come on, put your head high. It's time to get up. You just gotta let him go. Just let him go. Ooh, yeah. If only I could turn the hands of time, turn it back just to see you smile. Here's your big mistake. You need to just let him go. Just let him go. Just let him go. Put your head high, girl. This time is run out. Now you gotta have some fun. So come on, put your head high. It's time to get up. You just gotta let him go. Just let him go.
I don't have to party to have fun, you see. I got different hobbies, and that's all I need. Some say life is boring, but I disagree. I wake up and live my dream. Someday soon, I'm gonna make it. Yeah, all hard work's gonna be worth it. Ooh, everyone who didn't believe it, they don't know worth it. I'm gonna try.
Okay, so my question for this video is if anyone actually uses this as a warmer. Obviously I don't. It's used as storage. But I would like to know if you use this as a warmer or as storage. So leave a comment below and just let me know what you use this for.
I'm not into drinking, that's just wasting time. I'd rather be spending it on working out. Some say I'm too uptight, but I disagree. I wake up and live my dream. Someday soon, I'm gonna make it. Yeah, all hard work's gonna be worth it. Ooh, everyone who didn't believe it, they don't know worth it. I'm gonna try. Work till I die, till I die, till I die. I'm gonna fail and get up, cause I'm not giving up on my dream. I'm gonna cry, chasing the highs, yeah, the highs, yeah, the highs. I'm gonna fail and get up, cause I'm not giving up on my dream. Dream.
I got this basket at TJ Maxx to put my kitchen towels in, and I believe it's going to look a lot better than the plastic basket that I did have them in. This is everything that I decluttered from my kitchen. The front pile will be donated and the back pile will be either recycled or thrown away. These are the only two expired food items that I found. But there are lots of jars that I'm not using and lids without bowls and lots of cracked containers and just things I need to get rid of. Then these are all my donations, some bowls, drinking glasses, some cups, baby dishes, and these bowls that they're not microwave safe, so I'm getting rid of those. Then I have these pans and they're pretty rusty. I was going to donate them, but I guess they need to be recycled because no one wants rusty pans. I feel like I got so many things out of my kitchen. I'm so glad that I got rid of all of this. Those of you who have stayed until the end, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that you can be notified about part 2 of the deep cleaning kitchen, which will be the 4th video in my spring cleaning series. Also, check out my other 2 videos in this series, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks. Bye.